Friends, welcome back to AppIQ. If you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your text-to-speech settings on your Android or Samsung phone. Go to your settings, then click on accessibility, then vision enhancements. Scroll all the way down to where you'll find the Bixby vision for accessibility. Now, if you tap on that, guys, you'll see that you have the accessibility modes here. By default, it might be disabled. And if it's disabled, you want to enable this feature, which will give you more options here that you can choose from, which one of them is text-to-speech settings. So if you click on the text-to-speech settings, you can come here and you can change the text-to-speech settings here. So as you can see, you can change the preferred engine. By default, it is saying the Samsung text-to-speech engine. If you tap on that, you can choose, for example, the other feature that says speech recognition and synthesis from Google. So you can choose that as well, right? Now you also have the language. You can choose the language. So you can choose your preferred language. By default, I'm using the system language, which is English, but you can change this to whatever you want. You can change the speech rate. You can make that slow or fast, and also the pitch as well. If at any point in time you make changes and you want to change it back, you can reset it as well. You can also hit the play to see what it sounds like. Very easy and very simple.